What's going on, guys? Marqus Zar here, and we're going to talk about crypto, right? We all love crypto, and I want to give you a number one tip to do in crypto, especially starting out. Do not sell. Do not try to day trade because you will get crushed. You will lose your money if you think you know what you're doing in cryptocurrency, because just the markets just move too quickly, and you don't know what type of trader you are starting out. And if you never traded before, nine out of 10 times you're going to lose your money because you're going to panic sell, because there's a lot of FUD in cryptocurrency. There's a lot of misinformation going around. There's a lot of uncertainty. There's a lot of stuff going on with the governments. People's going to ban stuff. The governments don't like Bitcoin. It's always in the media. So you got all these different factors. So when you see a price go down from its all-time high all the way down, right? A lot of people who's in cryptocurrency really don't understand. So they first mindset is to sell so they can protect their money, right? It's just common sense. So, but in crypto, it's different. You usually want to hold on to your crypto once people's panic selling, because, like I said, it's probably just FUD going around, and it could quickly turn into the green, right? If you, for example, if you sell your cryptocurrency, if you panic sell your cryptocurrency, and then probably the next 2-3 hours later, that price goes right back up again, and now you're out of that cryptocurrency, and you're now on the sidelines, not making any money, and you lost money at the same time. So that's a double whammy. You're not making money anymore, and you lost money because you're out of the trade, because you panic sell. So that's why what I mean, just by hodling during the storm. If you're not certain, if there's stuff going around, do your own research to dive into the FUD, because to see if it's true or not, because it's not a lot of true stuff going around in cryptocurrency and stuff like that. And plus, it's always fear, uncertainty, and doubt, because all these different rules and regulations, government's trying to control it, so they just on top of that, creating more FUD. So yeah, man, give this video a thumbs up, give this video a thumbs down. All feedback is good feedback. I just want to give you a quick tip on what to do starting out as a cryptocurrency beginner.